What's up, Rockford? This is Reese over at Rock River Kia, and I'm creating this video for all of my sedan lovers. Now, most of you guys may know that most manufacturers actually stop their production of their sedan line. Now, out of the very few sedans that are still in production, even fewer of those actually have an all-wheel drive variant, the Kia K5 being just one of those vehicles. So one of the major reasons why our customers love the Kia K5 is because of its sporty, aggressive styling cues. Actually, just like the Kia Stinger, which is another one of our sedans that offer all-wheel drive, it actually has a hatch-like silhouette, but this is actually a trunk. And if you actually look at it, it has plenty of space in the trunk. Another reason why our customers love the Kia K5 is because of the color combinations that it offers. Now, this one is actually wolf gray exterior with a red interior. And for extra convenience, you actually have a vertical wireless charger, so you can slide your phone in just like that and charge your phone wirelessly, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that you don't have to connect your phone using a USB cable to the USB port, and it prevents you from having your cables jumbled up in the center console. And one of my favorite styling cues on the Kia K5 is actually this daytime running lamp that actually represents a human heartbeat. Now, if you'd like to go on a no pressure, no hassle test drive, come see us over at Anderson's Rock River Kia.